Sana mahaba-haba yung tulog ni Ayla para matapos ko tong video na to, and then pagkatapos pag tulog pa siya, baka may edit ko right away yung video na to. Hi everyone, welcome to another vlog. On today's video, another unboxing video for my monthly subscription Boxyluxe Boxycharm. By the way guys, this is not the regular box that I receive every month. So this one, they call it Boxyluxe, so I receive it every 3 months. It's a very heavy box. It is heavy. I don't know what's inside, but very heavy box. Super heavy. When you open it, it looks like that inside. Ooh, I'm excited. And first, oh, this is fall. Boxycharm Fall Luxy. Super cute paperwork. Again, at the back, they put everything what's inside the box. Alright everyone, so first we got this Blot and Glow Kit Retouches translucent blotting paper, and it says blotting powder. I think it comes with the super cute packaging. Wow, really cute packaging. Oh my god, look, this is what's look like guys, the packaging of blotting paper. Oh, comes with the powder. Wait, I'm confused. The packaging is so cute. It comes with the mirror. It comes with the beauty, I don't know, sponge or something. Something like this. I'm confused. But it's a super cute packaging of blotting paper. Wow. Fancy one. And it comes with a mirror. Sobrang ganda ng packaging. Next is a MAC Cosmetics 84 Goddess Lash. Ang cute ng packaging. I have enough fall lashes that I haven't touched it yet. So we need to play with the fall lashes that we have. So this super cute packaging of MAC Cosmetic 84 Goddess Lash fall lashes. Alright guys, third we have this Saturday Skin Pretty Pop Probiotic Powder Whipped Cream. It's hard to read, and this is expensive, $55 for this one. I think this is a soft and luxurious whipped cream with encapsulated probiotics activated by probiotics for healthy and radiant looking skin. So this is moisturizer. Ooh, I'm excited. I can't wait. Yeah, I'm excited to use this one as well. It's really expensive moisturizer for $50. Cute ng packaging niya. Next is this palette, Cab Cosmetics Contour Palette. This matte contour palette contains a silky powders that blend effortless into the skin for a perfect contour every time. And this one is $60 for this one. Ooh, like it's a big palette of contour palette. Huge, it's too big. And next, I can't wait. I'm gonna play with this. It's hard to came up. I want to see what's look like, but anyways, this is what it look like, the contour palette that we have in this month. Moving on to the next one. Next is this O3 Best Bud Shampoo plus Conditioner Duo. Healthy hair begins with a healthy scalp. This daily duo repairs and hydrates stress out strand with natural ingredients like jojoba, baobab, and avocado, while the anti-inflammatory benefits of CBD oil in nourish and soothe your scalp. Is great for all hair types. And this one's $66. Oh, they're all expensive. Oh, I remember this. I have a leave-in conditioner, the same of this one, and then I do love it. Every time I use it, it makes my hair so soft. And yeah, I'm so excited. I cannot wait to use this one because I have a leave-in conditioner that maybe I try it like 3 times already, and it feels so good to my hair. So I cannot wait to try it. So I cannot wait to use it tomorrow. I'm gonna use it tomorrow. So this is the leave-in conditioner that I have, the same brand of this shampoo and conditioner, and I love this leave-in conditioner. It's so good to my hair. So I'm so excited with this. So I cannot wait to use this tomorrow. Shampoo and conditioner. Yay! I have a shampoo and conditioner to use. Alright, next is this, the Nuco Defense Drop. What is it? Like a herbal supplement. It's a drop that you can put to your, like a, I don't know. It says your first line of defense against getting sick. This immune boosting liquid tincture contains a blend of Abode. Oh, okay. So guys, this is a herbal supplement that I can put like a drop for my like drink or something. Ooh, I wanna try this. It says I can use it for scratchy throat or sneeze to help support your body immune response. And this is $35. That's interesting product. And what else we have? Okay, next is this, the Lifestyle Co. Bamboo Body Polish. Ooh, this polish has sustainable bamboo steam extract to achieve gently physical exfoliating for your self-care needs. Bamboo steam extract is delivered from the interior portion of the plant and provide excellent exfoliation. Jojoba oil delivers essential fatty acid that is quickly absorbed into skin, helping it feel softer and nourished. Keep it in the fridge for anti-inflammatory effect and the boost circulation. Ooh, and this is $49. I cannot wait to try it to my skin. Ooh. It says to exfoliate your skin. Ooh, that's nice. We have something to exfoliate our skin. Okay, I think this is the last one. Grace and Stella Hot Cold Gel Bed Eye Mask. Ooh, I love eye mask. This is what's look like, guys, the eye mask that we have in this box. This is lip mask suit and adds comfort to your eye area. And it says it's safe for microwave safe. Beads can be heated or up to cool down in the refrigerator. Ooh, oh, exciting. When the mask is cold, it can help with tired, flappy eyes and wake you up when you need it. Then warm, it aids in getting a relaxing night's sleep, as well as reducing congested sinuses and increasing blood flow for your eye area. The super soft flash backing makes it super comfortable. And this is $18. Oh, I cannot wait. I'm so excited about this one. I cannot wait to try all of this skincare that I got for this month, and also the, what do you call it, shampoo and conditioner, the contour palette, and also the moisturizer. I can't wait to try that moisturizer, and also the drops supplements. What do you call it? Different herbal, and also the herbal supplement. I cannot wait to try it too. And for all of this skincare that I got for this month, I cannot wait to try it on into my skin. And that's it for today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click the notification bell button so that you'll be notified every time I do upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!